beauty hacks will make your college life brilliant. Summer's coming! And Miss Smith started actively working out. She's the bomb.com. Phew! I worked out so hard that my face got sweaty. Attach a panty liner to the inside of a headband. Now the panty liner will soak in all the sweat from my forehead, and I will be beautiful and slim. Phew! That was a good workout. I need to post a tired selfie. Otherwise, no one will believe I'm losing weight. Oh, what happened to my eyes? I look like a victim of too much exercise. Thank goodness I always have an emergency makeup jar nearby. Put cotton pads into an empty jar and pour in makeup remover. Put on the cap and attach a label. I'll take one cotton pad and quickly fix my makeup. I'm ready to set workout records again. My hair is almost done, but my eyebrows look bushy. I know how to fix them fast. Apply hairspray to an eyebrow spoolie and brush through your eyebrows. A simple life hack for neat eyebrows. There's always someone with a creative hairstyle in every college. Whoa! What a beautiful hair accessory! How did you make it? You'll need 3 long chains and earring pieces. Put the first chain onto an earring hook. Pass the remaining 2 through the top and close them. Fasten the chains inside. Now we just have to fasten the ends in the hair. A stylish and elegant accessory for your hair is done. My professor is disciplining me. But the only thing I can look at is her lips. They are so magical. I've been dreaming about makeup like that for so long. Maybe it's time to try out one life hack for plumping my lips. Wrap up a rubber band. Then pucker your lips and put it on. I look like a sick duck, but beauty is pain. Stop laughing at me. Wow, so is it gonna help? Turns out this life hack isn't very good. My lips really hurt afterwards, and I don't recommend trying it. Oh, a new trend! Rainbow bangs are taking over the world! I want this hairstyle too! I'll have to say goodbye to a few loyal strands. But real beauty takes sacrifice. Hang on. Today is a bad day for a haircut. Try on my rainbow accessory instead. Great hair chalks. Cover the powder with water. Stir it well. Make a few different shades. Divide clip-on bangs of a light shade into strands. Color each strand with a different shade. You can use an old toothbrush. Rainbow bangs! This is a great idea! I'll follow trends without damaging my hair. Rainbow hair looks good on me. Miss Smith loves plants. And the feelings are mutual. Just look at this giant aloe growing on her desk. This handsome guy really wants to learn. Whoa! I'll name you Valentine. I need to tell all my friends right now. Hey, girls, look! Now that's a real magic plant. I have an idea. Let's try styling our hair using this green hairstylist. We'll create a wet hair look with some aloe juice. It's gonna look really nice. Cut the plant and cut the leaf open. Apply the pulp to a brush. Ew! It's so slimy! Now style your hair. Brush it back. I'm a star! I could even be Kendall Jenner's stunt double. So, did I turn out as stylish as I imagined? Well, to tell you the truth, it looks like a giant snail licked you. We definitely won't be doing this hairstyle ever again. Good luck washing your hair. Do you dye your hair at home? It's faster and you save money. Oh, it looks like I just crossed the line. Just remember one rule. Always apply rich lotion around your hairline. And you can easily wipe the excess dye off your forehead. I need ice for my Coke. Oh, some kind person left ice cubes in the freezer. Lucky me. Hang on, don't make a giant mistake. This ice isn't drinkable. Pour face toner into ice molds and freeze it. This ice isn't for Coke, it's for my face. It makes my skin look fresh. Can you smell the toner? Try it out. Really? I'd rather cool myself than my drink. It feels amazing. This lipstick really suits me, but it's too glossy. Let's try out a powder life hack. Apply face powder over the lipstick. Whoa! My lips turned matte immediately. Beautiful! And if you ran out of hair conditioner, you can DIY a homemade version. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to 7 ounces of water. Stir. Add a few drops of Ylang-ylang and jojoba essential oils. Stir it well and pour into a bottle. Attach a label. Apply the product onto your hair. And don't forget to rinse. Now you won't have any trouble brushing your hair. What are you doing,
Hello.
Cindy? Reading? You should take care of your nails instead. This is embarrassing.
Ew!
Let me show you a simple life hack for a neat manicure. Apply cuticle product around the edge of your nails over the whole cuticle. Wait for it to dry and apply nail polish. Whoa! Turns out this is actually really easy. Now I have nice and neat nails. Did you like our beauty hacks? Then comment below which ones you'd use. Would you put on rainbow bangs, style your hair with aloe juice, or freeze face toner? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new beauty hacks from Troom.